Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. I hope everyone is doing well. Another Temu haul, you guys. All right, family, so why I did another Temu haul? Well, actually my baby boy is in college, and you know when you're in college, you stay broke. And college students is always figuring out ways to make money. So Temu was offering cash for referrals. So he used me as a referral, and he was able to get, I think he said per person it was, I think he said $20 or $30. Well, they will definitely cash you through, I believe, PayPal. So he was using PayPal. So he learned about this while he was at college. So I decided to use his referral link, and it worked for him, you know, so he could get him some, you know, some extra cash. And the offer, what they offered was you buy 10 items and you get 6 items free. So you guys, I had to buy 4 items. All right, so let's check this haul out, you guys. I did forget some of the stuff that I did ordered. I know 2 things that I definitely remember, which is, let's see, one was, okay, let me get through this with you guys real quick. One was a backpack pocketbook. And if you, oh, okay, so, okay. Cute. So, what it looks like, you guys, look at that. That is so cute. It really is. Now, on the app, it actually looks like leather. Now, I'm going to take a look at this again. On the app, it looks like leather. This is the back of it. This is a really cute everyday bag. It could be a cute travel bag, too. So, it got side pockets. Zipper, a zipper back pocket on the back end, which is nice. And on the top, I love decorative zippers like this. When I make my clutch bags and some of my other little cosmetic bags that I make, I love to use zippers like this. That is a pretty zipper. Oh, and then it has this strong wiring around the top of it that stiffens it out. But yeah, you could get a lot in this. This could be a great overnight bag. You could get some sandals, some shoes, probably about 2 outfits, some pajamas, some underwears, and be good to go. I like this bag. So this was one of the free items. And this bag, I think, is running like $30-something. I'm going to double check on that. But that's the bag. Let's move on along. Okay, so check this out. This is what I definitely was wanting to get, and I believe this was one of my free items too. This is the underbed storage bags. It's a 3-pack, and they also call these, and this is great, they also call these quilting bags where you can store your quilts. So this is one of the reasons why I got these, because I started storing some of my quilts and some of my projects in comforter plastic bags, you know, those big bags. I started storing some of my quilts that's already made in those type of bags. So these is definitely excellent for quilts. And let's see, these are really nice sizes, very nice size. Let's see that. So that's 3 of them the same size. So let's keep it moving. And I think that was my one, no, that was one of my purchase items. This was one of my purchase items too. These was like $1 and change. I did another haul video on Temu, which I got these as well. So these was like $1 and change. So I paid for those. Keep it moving. Boy, what is this one? I think this is another storage bag. See? Yep, this is another one. And this one is a big, long, rectangular one. So this is good too. So I'll be storing up a lot of my crafts in these bags. Some of my fabrics, I think I'm going to start putting in bags too, especially like my heavy fabrics that I am not getting to at this present time. Okay, so what is this? What was this one? Oh, okay. This was a purchase item. So this is one of the items that I purchased. This is a gardening solar light. Oh, it's so cute. It's a solar light for your garden. That is so cute. Now, the way it looks on the site is nowhere looking as small as this. This is very, very small. So on the site, it actually looks bigger. This is very, very small. So I probably will sit this on my little grow table outside. That's my salad bar station. So it has the little solar lights right here. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. All right, so what I was saying about this little decorative solar light water can is very small compared to the way things look on the website. And that's what I noticed about Temu. A lot of things look really big and spectacular, but then they're not that great. But this is still cute. I might even keep this in my craft room. I might just do that. But it's real cute. So there's the solar area where it collects the solar and then it lights up. Those are the string lights. So it's really cute on the site. Makes it look like a waterfall. All right, let's see what else we got. What else did I get? Oh boy, I don't even remember what this is. Oh, this is the little pole that it hangs on. I didn't even know this was gonna come with it, but you put it together, little 3 rods right here, stick it in the ground, and that's what you will hook it to. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, that's it. Okay, what is this? I forgot what else I made order. Oh, I did get some shades. Let's see. Got the name of them. There they go. They cute. They don't feel that strong, but they're cute. I can't say they will last for a long time because they're not. I don't think they're that strong, but they are cute. You could get past the summer with these. They're nice. Okay. Oh, and then I got some sink strainers for the kitchen sink. I think I paid for these. These was like $1 and some change. And there's 2 of those. And then I got these little cute little things. I figured they would be small, but I said these little wooden decorative little hanging things. I said that I probably would hang these around my craft room. I might put them on the window. Summer theme, that's the juke rope. You put them in and you just hang them around different areas. So I said these probably would go cute on my window. It's definitely a summer bee theme. Yeah, those is cute. They would be real cute right on the window. Little animals. Yeah, these would definitely be cute around my room. I love that one. And that one. And that one. So I will string those up. I might even try to attach them to my little curtains, but I think they'd be really cute on that rod. All right, let's see what else. Oh, you probably saw this too. I've been wanting one of these. I have seen these on Amazon as well. And it is the miniature manicure set. It's a nice case. It has everything you need. Great for travel. I like it. It's cute. It's cute. You got everything in there for a manicure. Little case. And let's see. What else? They're coming to the end. All right. So this was one of the free items as well. And I said it probably wasn't going to be all that great. Like I said, a lot of things tend to look that great. And then when you get it, it's not all that. But I said, you know what? I'm going to take my chance. And if not, they will be great gardening sneakers. So this was a free item too. And I think these was listed as, I think, 16 bucks. So I think these would be great for the garden. If I just want to walk around the neighborhood, take a walk, I think these are great. They feel nice and soft on the inside and the outside. They seem to be made really nice, you know, nicely, but I can't say that they're going to be the most durable shoe. But they feel pretty strong. Got lace up and everything. You can slip them on and then tie the laces. So, not bad. Not bad for freebies. I will take those. So, overall, I thought this was a great haul and a great way to get 10 items free. I think the best thing in this haul was definitely these quilt bags, or you want to call them underbed storage bags, and this pocketbook. This was definitely the steal. This right here. That right there. I really, really like this. So I think those those three items to me, oh no, this here are the best 4 items that I did get. That I'm super happy with. I'm super happy with the decorations. And like I said, this, I'm probably going to store this somewhere in my window. Somewhere in this craft room. I think that's what I'm going to do. And I'll probably sit it outside tomorrow to get some solar and then bring it inside and see it light up the craft room. So, you guys, if you guys are still interested in shopping at Temu, I would say go on over to Temu. Remember, you get what you pay for, right? Some things are going to be greater than other things. Remember that as well. But overall, I have enjoyed shopping at Temu. And this is my second haul. So I look forward to doing another haul with Temu on some other items outside of probably the gardening. I might tap into the craft world over there because they do have great crafting supplies over there. So I may do like a craft haul and see what their crafting tools, different things are like over there. I know they have fabric. I don't think I will be doing too much fabric from them because I have received fabric from eBay and I know it was from over that area and the fabric was just blah, like real blah. So I don't think I will be doing any fabric hauls from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this haul and get over there and shop like a millionaire. All right, you guys, this is SEK, the homesteader, SEK, the crazy quilting crafter. If you guys are not over there tuning into what's going on that channel, please go over there, like, subscribe, hit that notification button so y'all can keep up with all the crazy crafting that Essie is doing at this moment. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Peace.